Welcome back to Stories That Shine. Today's story is about teamwork, courage, and listening to even the youngest voices. Join us for The Monkey and the Broken Bridge. The river that flowed through the middle of the forest was wide and swift. Its cool waters sparkled in the sunlight, and on hot days, many animals came to drink or swim. Across this river was a field filled with the sweetest bananas, ripest berries, and crunchy nuts that the monkeys loved more than anything. For many years, the monkey troop had a bridge, a sturdy, old wooden bridge built from planks and vines that allowed them to cross safely. Every day they scampered across it, laughing and carrying fruit back to their families. But one morning, as the troop approached the bridge, they froze. "What happened?" cried Kiri, the youngest monkey. The bridge was broken. The wooden planks dangled over the water, some missing, some cracked. Vines that once held it together hung loose and frayed. The river, swollen from recent storms, rushed below with a roar. "Oh no!" gasped Soban, the oldest monkey. "The storm last night must have destroyed it." "We can't get to the food across the river," another monkey wailed. The troop chattered nervously. Their bellies rumbled and fear grew in their hearts. "Don't worry," said Dara, a brave young monkey. "I'll try to cross." He grabbed a vine, swung forward, and landed on the first plank, but it cracked beneath his weight. With a yelp, Dara jumped back just in time. "That's too dangerous," said Soban, shaking his head. Another monkey tried to leap from rock to rock across the river, but the stones were slippery. She nearly fell into the rushing water before scrambling back to shore, shivering. A third monkey attempted to climb across using only the hanging vines, but they snapped with a loud crack, and he splashed into the shallow edge of the river. He scrambled out, wet and embarrassed. One by one, the monkeys tried their own ideas, but each attempt failed. The troop grew frustrated and argued among themselves. "This is hopeless. We'll never cross again. Maybe we should leave the forest." Kiri, the youngest, watched quietly. At last he spoke. "Maybe we can hold hands. If we work together, we can form a chain and cross safely." The older monkeys laughed. "You're too young to understand, Kiri," one said kindly. "That will never work," added another. "We need a strong bridge, not silly games." But Kiri stood firm. "Alone, each of us is too weak, but together, we can be strong." Soban, the wise elder, rubbed his chin thoughtfully. "Perhaps the little one has a point. We have tried strength, speed, and courage, but not cooperation. Let us at least try." Reluctantly, the monkeys agreed. They lined up along the broken bridge. The strongest monkeys stood on the sturdiest planks near the bank. Each monkey reached out to hold the hands of the one beside them, gripping tightly. Slowly, carefully, they stretched across the gap, their bodies forming a living bridge. Kiri, though small, bravely climbed to the center of the chain. He felt the river spray below him, and for a moment, fear made his knees shake. But then he looked at his brothers and sisters holding firm on both sides, their eyes filled with trust. He took a deep breath and held on. One by one, the other monkeys crossed by crawling along the backs and arms of the chain. It was slow and difficult, but with every crossing, their confidence grew. At last, every monkey had reached the far side, where the bananas, berries, and nuts waited. When the final monkey stepped safely onto the field, the troop erupted in cheers. They hugged one another, and even the older monkeys lifted Kiri high onto their shoulders. "You were right, little one," said Soban with pride. "Your idea saved us. Today we learned that teamwork is stronger than any bridge." That evening, the troop feasted together on the fruit they had worked so hard to reach. The stars sparkled above, and the river roared gently in the night. The monkeys laughed, played, and shared, their hearts full of gratitude. From then on, whenever the bridge needed repair, they didn't argue or try alone. They remembered Kiri's wisdom, that even the smallest voice could carry the greatest idea, and that together they could face any challenge. And so the broken bridge, once a symbol of fear, became a story passed down through generations of monkeys. A story of unity, courage, and the power of listening to every member of the family. What a clever group of monkeys! They showed us that teamwork makes the impossible possible, and that even the youngest ideas can be the wisest. If you enjoyed this story, be sure to share it and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next adventure on Stories That Shine.